Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Now let's see what are the tips you can maintain to get a glowing skin. Glowing skin is something many people strive to have. For some, radiant skin is an outward sign of health, while others wish to achieve this look for cosmetic reasons. There are many ways to improve the skin's radiance. People can improve the health of their skin by making diet and lifestyle changes. There are also many skincare and makeup products on the market that can give the appearance of glowing skin. And actually, the factors that influence the skin health includes genetics, hormones, health conditions and medications, environment and behavior. Skincare for glowing skin would include many people start working towards healthy looking skin with skincare products. This can feel complicated as there are many companies that claim their products will help someone achieve glowing skin. But the important tips are basics that you should follow. Status that skincare does not have to be complex or expensive. Many people benefit from a simple routine that consists of cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. Cleansing products help remove dirt, makeup, and excess oil from the skin. When choosing a cleanser, it is important to look for one that the gentle pH balanced and does not include harsh chemicals or soap. Cleanse the skin upon waking up before going to sleep and after sweating. Use warm water rather than cold or hot and pat the skin dry with a clean towel. Moisturizing. Moisturizers add water to the skin for best result. The recommends applying moisturizer immediately after cleansing is order to trap moisture in the skin. People with oily skin may prefer an oil-free moisturizer, while those with dry skin may prefer something heavier that consists of oil-free. Sun protection. Sunlight contains UV light, which can cause burning, sun damage, and visible signs of aging. Applying a SPF product before going outside is an easy way to reduce the skin. When choosing on SPF products, look for one that is broad spectrum, SPF 30 or above, suitable for a person's skin type. And the next tip would be foods for glowing skin. A healthy diet benefits that entire body, includes the skin. Even if a person has a good skin care routine, they may not find their skin looks healthy if they do not take care of themselves internally. Avoid foods that are high in sugar, saturated fat, and salt. Instead, focus on fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats such as olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Certain nutrients are especially important for skin health, that are vitamin A, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E, omega 3 fatty acids, and zinc. Lifestyle changes for glowing skin. Making some simple lifestyle changes can have an impact on skin health and appearance. They include stop smoking, relieving stress, and getting enough sleep, drinking water, and reducing alcohol consumption. And exercise is also an important role to play. Naturally glowing skin is typically skin that is healthy and hydrated. People can work towards this by gradually implementing a skincare routine as well as by making changes to their diet or lifestyle where necessary. Smoking, alcohol, and UV light can all damage skin health, so avoid these where possible.